Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. This recipe is one of the simple ones I really enjoy for a morning breakfast. And I'm going to share with you raspberry butter. It's quick, it's easy, and you can make it with very few ingredients. 1/2 cup butter softened. 1/2 cup of raspberries. 2 teaspoons powdered sugar. Dash of lemon juice. In a small bowl, combine all ingredients. Serve immediately. Refrigerate any leftovers. And that's it. A quick and easy spread for breakfast. Wonderful on a bagel. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell because YouTube is funny and you don't want to miss another episode.